To get started with using the Costco Business Center, it is essential to understand that this facility is designed specifically for businesses, offering a wide range of products and services tailored to meet their needs. The first step is to become a member, which can be done by applying online or visiting a Costco location. Membership requirements typically include a valid business license and tax identification number. Once you have your membership, you can start shopping at the Costco Business Center, either online or in person. The website provides an easy-to-use platform where you can browse through various categories, including office supplies, electronics, and food services. You can also take advantage of the center's wholesale prices, which can significantly reduce your business expenses. One of the key benefits of using the Costco Business Center is its ability to provide businesses with bulk purchases. This can be particularly useful for companies that require large quantities of items, such as paper, ink, or cleaning supplies. Additionally, the center offers a variety of services, including printing, shipping, and pharmacy services, making it a one-stop shop for many business needs. To make the most out of your Costco Business Center experience, it is crucial to plan your shopping trip in advance. Make a list of the items you need, and check the center's website for any available discounts or promotions. You can also use the center's online ordering system, which allows you to place orders and arrange for delivery or in-store pickup. In terms of payment, the Costco Business Center accepts various methods, including credit cards, checks, and electronic funds transfers. It is also worth noting that the center offers a return policy, allowing businesses to return items that do not meet their needs. Overall, using the Costco Business Center can be a highly effective way to streamline your business operations and reduce costs. By taking advantage of its bulk purchasing options, services, and wholesale prices, you can improve your bottom line and increase efficiency. With its user-friendly website and convenient shopping options, the Costco Business Center is an excellent resource for businesses of all sizes.